Hello friends, welcome to Asher Traders, and I am going to explain you my last trades. So as you all know that I am holding like PVR, so which doesn't given much results. So my mistake on that is like after my entry, it got news updates like two three news updates, so which have major effect on earnings like PVR slashes its F&B like food and beverages prices. So that's the major problem. I came out in that stock in options. So derivatives around 700 loss. So yesterday I booked that loss and I done little two three trades to recover that. Uh, and one major problem yesterday I done. I am going to explain you. So my view is like yesterday is a like a trending day, and here a big fall happened, right? So what I think is like whenever market goes up, I planned to short the market. So but and I have a rule that until 9:15 to 9:30 I don't want to enter into the markets. But what happens means in that 9:15 to 9:30. So see here, this is the fall from 520 to market all the way it came to 450. So in 15 minutes itself, market fell by 70 points and it came to CPR. And another thing is it's near to previous day closing. So this is not the right time to short the market. So I won't take any trade at this position. So I waited for the opportunity, and so every day, every time. So when it goes again to this level, I plan to short. But one thing happened is like market moves in a sideways in a CPR, but the structure here looks higher and high. So this is one thing I didn't observe in a live market. And after Chandrayaan, so I shorted at this position. So it little given like 900 to 800 profit. But what happens means I closed the trade and market suddenly moves from 3 o'clock. Actually 3 to 3:30 also I didn't take trades. But what happens here means I done a mistake yesterday. So that mistake is when market is moving such a heavy uptrend. So in a running candle, I entered at this position due to this is a resistance R1 and previous day supply zone. Due to that, I entered at this running candle. So this pullback is right. So if you observe here, it's having a pullback. So little wick you are going to see right here. So in this running candle I entered. So I didn't wait for 5 minutes closing. In the running candle when it is given a pullback, I thought that it will come again back. So I shorted the market with two lots, but it moved heavily. And after moving at this area also, I averaged the up move. So little pullback if you get, you will uh, come out of the trade, but nothing happens. So this is the one of the mistake I done yesterday, and which is called FOMO trade. So these trades has to be avoid avoidable friends, because it will kill us. So due to that, so see here, so my positions are 5000 loss. See here, I averaged the positions and I came like this. So I taken this as a hedge on last, like after little movement. So due to that I am here. And Monday, so another thing I hold this. So another thing I have to close it, but I still hold this. So because when markets are moving such a higher move in last half an hour, the market has to be averages out. So if you observe here, from 3 o'clock market is at 500 and market makes like It's around see here around 80 to 90 points, right? So if you see here the market of nifty 50 change, so nifty 50 change or closing price like that. So it's a high of 95 and market closes at 64, friends. 64, see here, market shows you so 19,564. So it is called last half an hour move will be averages out due to some SEBI rules. Actually, most of the corporate actions has to done in last half an hour. So last half an hour will have a violent moves up or downside. So due to that, the Nifty or any indexes will be average out. So due to that, the price of our 82 rupees also will be average out. So this 15 rupees also will average out for the last half an hour move. So what are the reasons I hold this means last 2 days Dow and Nasdaq rallies heavily. See here, so this is the rally which given recent 5 days. So on hope of low interest rate, already market predicted and taken this level 13,602. So if you keep 1 month also, so 27th 26th June July maybe somewhat. So from here it taken a reversal, so around 13,300. So from here it moves along the way and taken a high of 14,223. So it makes a good rally and it's a weekend. So I expected like markets will not move in a huge base on weekend. So like weekend is coming, right? So due to that, so market gives a up push and it's a profit booking in Nasdaq. So that's happened, and at the similar way Dow Jones also doesn't move much. So even Wells Fargo results are very good and the company posted good numbers. So that's expected due to higher interest rate. The banks will post good numbers, right? So that's expected one. And interest federal reserves are not federal reserves. Interest rates are coming down in coming days by Fed due to inflation cooling off, and the remarkable level they are expecting is like 2, but present it came at 3 so recently, but it's near. So that's the reason I holded that strike due to averaging out of last half an hour rally, which will gives you low loss, and 2 days decay will helps you to get that even below the price. So due to that, if you get a good gap down also, we may come out in profit. So that's why I holded that. But here mistake is like I entered in a FOMO. So even I thought that market is moving upside here, I didn't taken a long call here. So that's also one of my biggest mistake. And here it's a day breakout. Still that one also I didn't accept it, but here this is the major reason. After reaching R1 I can short the market. So that's I planned that one in mind. So the mind won't allow you to enter at this trade to go long. That is the major fault. So whenever you are looking for a trade, don't go in FOMO. So look chart. So what chart is telling you, then only going to trade. And moreover last half an hour trades are very very uh, harmful to your trading. So thank you very much.